In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily record a video in 4K on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started and first off, open up Camera app. By default, Camera app always starts in a photo mode and first off we need to switch it to video mode. To do that, I'm gonna tap right here. On a video mode, let me switch to wide angle lens. That's better. On a video mode, we can record a video, but if we would like to record a video in 4K, first off, we need to tap right over here where it says HD to switch it to 4K. Basically, guys, also we can configure all of these options. I'm gonna show you what options actually are. The first is flashlight. We can tap on it to turn off the flashlight. If this icon looks like that, it means that now flashlight mode set to auto mode. If we tap on it, it becomes crossed out and it means that flashlight now turned off. If you would like to manually turn on flashlight, not set it to auto mode but turn it on, you need to tap right here, then tap add flashlight icon and then tap add on. If flashlight turned on, as you can see now it is already turned on, and this icon will look like that with a yellow background. To turn it off, tap on that icon again. Also in here we can turn on ProRes HDR. That is a professional mode. If you are not a professional photographer or videographer or whatever, I don't recommend you to use that mode because it is highly increase the file size of your outcome video. Then also in here we can find that active mode button. By default it is always turned off. You can identify that by that crossed out icon. That mode is actually a sport mode, so if we turn it on, action mode, not active mode. If we turn it on, it allows us to record a video of rapidly moving objects. If you are taking a regular video of yourself or of your friends or of whatever you are regularly taking a videos, this mode I recommend you to turn off. It is not necessary in our everyday life. So guys, also in here we can, if we tap right there, you see, if we tap if we tap right there, it is showing us the options here, and that's where also we can change the exposure of our video. If we tap right there, it says exposure here, and then we can drag this scale right to increase the exposure or left to reduce it. So that's how we can control the exposure manually while recording a video. To start creating a video, just tap at that button. If you got the timer here that counting seconds, it means that video now is being recorded, and once you are done with that, just tap right here at stop button, and that will immediately save this video to your camera roll. You can instantly watch that video by tapping at that icon. It will start playing automatically. That's how we can fast forward it. And also you can find the video at your Photos app, if we tap on it, and if we go to our main photos library, that's where we can find the video we have recorded. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.